मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस चैप्टर 3 है। 1 और 2 चैप्टर आपके कंप्लीट हो गए। अभी ये न्यू चैप्टर है गवर्नमेंट, जो आज आपको मैं एक्सप्लेन करवाऊंगी और इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है ब्रीफली वो करवा दूंगी। ठीक है। गवर्नमेंट इंडिया हैज़ adopted democratic system of administration. A nation requires government to take different decisions and to carry out different works of public welfare. Government frames laws according to constitution, executes them, and if needed does additions and corrections. It is very much essential to implement laws and rules equally for all. Government police arrests lawbreakers and presents them before judiciary. The accused are punished or penalized by judicial court. Judiciary is independent, therefore it is unseen that partiality is not done anywhere. And such a system is set up. Government functions in two parts, union government and state government. At local level, administration is looked after by state government. At central level, union government functions. When there is any dispute, union government is considered supreme and the verdict of Supreme Court is considered to be final. In most of the states of India, there is not upper house, legislative council. Read the headlines of a newspaper, make a list of the work done by the government. On the basis of your list, do you understand the different functions of the government? List of functions carried out by the government. Government frames laws according to the guidelines in the constitutions. It manages services like transport, post and railway. It distributes food material to the poor through the cheap grain shops. It encourages development of trade and commerce in private sector. Next number, it allows financial assistance for the maintenance of the institutions or organizations functioning in education and health. It creates management for equal education for all. It resolves economic and social issues. It looks after the functioning of government employees. According to the wish and requirement of the people, government is necessary because the rules made by it and the laws framed by it can be implemented equally on people. Government frames laws and gets them executed by officers, employees and policemen. When people are in great masses, it is important to form rules, their management and to take decisions. Government acts to establish peace, to maintain law and order, and to make progress of the country. If there is no government, all these things become impossible. Means government के बिना impossible है. Mention any two decisions taken by the government. Did you like those decisions? Why? Answer है, as per the law of education, students should not be punished mentally or corporately or not to fail them. I appreciate this decision because according to the provision of this law, more and more students will come up to get education and our country will progress. Recently, about 13,000 Vidya Sahayakas and teaching assistants have been appointed in government schools. I like this decision very much because it includes interest of a number of people. It is possible to administer the country without the government. Yes or no? Why? Answer is no. Administration of nation is not possible without government. Government is management body. It runs government. Next question है question 3. How is the country administrated? Every 5 years there is a general election of parliament. The leader of the party with the support of clear majority in the parliament is invited by the president to become the prime minister and appoints him the prime minister. The prime minister appoints all other ministers. The president makes them take secret oaths of their positions. Then they are assigned responsibilities of different sections, all the ministers taking help of their administrative officers and employees. Carry out administration. They keep the prime minister informed of all their goings on. If the ministry loses confidence of people, they have to submit resignation. Next question 4 है, why can one not use loudspeaker in public place after 10 o'clock in the night? Answer है, it is duty to government to take decisions for the management of people in masses. Government has to see that law and order is maintained and peace can be related in nation. In after 10 p.m. generally people go to bed. Generally people क्या करते हैं, सो जाते हैं. If we play loudspeaker in public at that time, naturally the people at rest will be get disturbed. Means उनको disturb होता है 10 o'clock के बाद. लाउडस्पीकर creates noise pollution. लाउडस्पीकर क्या करता है, नॉइज पॉल्यूशन करता है. Not to make noise at night is also a law. Therefore we cannot play loudspeakers in public after 10 p.m. इसलिए 10 p.m. के बाद उनको अलाउ नहीं है. Why can one not burst crackers on the roads? Answer है, we cannot fire crackers on the public roads because number 1 है, public roads are often crowded. If we fire crackers on public roads, CNG. A spark from crackers may cause fire or blast in the vehicle. Number 3, it is possible that trespassers may get hurt or accident may take place. There are shops along roadsides. It is feared that they may catch fire because of firecrackers. Therefore, the security of people, government has made a law that we cannot fire crackers along public roads. Timetable is a mirror that shows the functioning of school. It directs different activities carried out in school. According to timetable, different jobs at school can be planned. What to teach, when to teach, which curricular activities should be carried out, which teacher will conduct which class, when to allow recess, etc. cannot be managed without timetable. Timetable is essential to reach the goal. Motto decided by school. If there is no timetable, teachers cannot justify all the teaching subjects and the jobs cannot be managed in the time. Why are laws framed? Answer है, we all live in masses, therefore for the following reasons we need laws. Number 1, laws bring about peace and order in society. Number 2, owing to laws to deal with every citizens in society, justifiably becomes possible. Number 3, without laws there is anarchy in society. Number 4, without laws life, property, freedom and rights of people cannot be protected. Number 5, if there are no laws, people will start behaving according to their whims and it shelters in the entire society. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लर्न करना है और राइट क्लास वर्क की बुक में भी करना है और होमवर्क की बुक में भी करना है. Thank you.